Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the phase 2. Now we are going to learn question and answer. Listen and answer. Shadowing practice. Your English will improve. So let's begin. But before that, please like and subscribe. We will listen a conversation from the previous video. So let's begin.
Hello, my name is Emily.
Hello, Emily, I am Kevin. It's such a beautiful day to be here with you.
It really is Kevin.
Let's take a sit there.
Fine, let's go.
So how was your day?
It was good, how about you?
My day was kind of bad, but still okay.
Why, what happened?
In the morning, I woke up late, and after that, I quickly went to change my clothes. And I went for my office, but in the middle of there was so much rush. So I reached office 30 minutes, then my boss scolded me. After when I went for lunch to the canteen, then I realized I didn't brought my wallet. I didn't have the lunch because I was having $30 which were for my taxi. At evening,
Oh, I am sorry to hear that.
by the way, are you a student?
No, I am not. I work in a company.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I do like here.
How long are you here?
4 or 6 months.
Where do you live?
I live near the factory.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my friends.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
What time is it?
It's 4 p.m.
What is the date?
It's 15th of December.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
What time do you have lunch?
At 1 p.m. Hello. Right now. Okay, I am coming. My friends are calling me for shopping. We will talk later.
Okay, can I get your number?
Okay, it's 12345 12345.
We will stay in touch.
Okay.
What was the boy's name? Kevin. His name was Kevin. How was Kevin's day? It was bad. His day was bad. Was Emily married? No, she was not. She was single. Where did Emily and her friends were going? They were going for shopping.
This was the end. This was the phase 2. In the next part, we are going to listen and answer. Please like and subscribe. Bye.